This Shorts video has gotten over 19,000 views since it was published and currently ranks on the first page of Google out of 8,120,000 results, and also shows a large thumbnail at the top of the page. It also ranks on the first page of YouTube. In this video, I'll discuss the pros and cons of making shorts and answer the question, are shorts worth it in 2023? Let's look at some of the short stats for 2023. YouTube Shorts currently gets over 50 billion daily views. Wouldn't you want some of that? It shows that short video segments have quickly gained popularity on YouTube. Approximately 72% of YouTube Shorts duration is between 16 and 60 seconds. It takes much less time to create a short than to make a long form video. You just need to take out your phone, hit the YouTube app, then tap Create a Short. All your editing can be done on your phone. You don't have to be sitting at your computer. For instance, sometimes I'll record a short while riding my bike. Easy to direct viewers to your long form videos. All you have to do is choose a video on YouTube and hit the remix icon. You can select a segment from one of your own long form videos or select a segment from other people's videos. An attribution link will appear at the end of your shorts video that links back to the original long form video. YouTube's also introducing related links so you can redirect users from shorts to your long form content.
We'd start introducing a safer way for creators to direct viewers from shorts to their YouTube content by the end of September. This feature, which is called Related Video in Shorts, has started rolling. You'll know if you have access if you can see related video in the edit flow in Studio Web.
Shorts are easier to consume. It's faster and easier to watch a 15 to 60 second shorts video than it is a 10-minute long-form video. Most viewers watch shorts while scrolling through the shorts feed on their phones. Shorts rank in the search engines. At the beginning of this video, I showed how a shorts video ranks on the first page of Google search as well as YouTube search. This means that your shorts videos can receive evergreen traffic week after week, year after year. If you look at how viewers find my shorts in YouTube analytics, most of the traffic comes from external sources. My top traffic source is external, which is mostly from Google search. My second top traffic source is shorts feed, followed by YouTube search, then browse features. So even though initially a shorts video may not receive a lot of traffic, it may receive evergreen traffic for years to come. Shorts expose your content to new audiences. Long form videos don't appear in the shorts feed, only shorts do. That means you're finding new audiences for your content from mobile viewers. Shorts are a fast way to get more views and subscribers. I often get more views and subscribers from my shorts videos than I do for long form videos. I do this by encouraging viewers to subscribe at the end of my shorts video, and YouTube makes it easy by providing a clickable subscribe button right on top of the short. Build community. Shorts offer a great way to engage with your viewers by replying to comments with a short.
Shorts are often seen like they're really good for discovery, for reach, but not very good for community. But we've launched Reply with a Short now, which I think starts to bridge that gap into making community really interesting on Shorts.
I think it's going to be a great way for creators that make very short videos that want to engage with their audience. Sometimes they may take that comment as creative direction for the next short. Or if you're a long form creator and you want to use this as a tool to engage for the style of community that you've cultivated, that's like another use of it, right?
Click the link in the description to watch my video on how to reply to comments with a short. Let's look at the cons of making YouTube Shorts. Less revenue. My top shorts video has made $29.40. My top long form video has made over $5,000. If I look under how do you make money in YouTube analytics, watch paid ads has generated over $69,000. Shorts feeds ads only $1.16. So shorts videos are not a big money maker on YouTube. This is probably due to not being able to place many ads in a 60-second shorts video, whereas long form videos you can place multiple ads. Shorts views suddenly stop. I've noticed that when I upload a short, it gets a sudden burst of views and then they stop. Let me know in the comments below if you've experienced the same.
Sometimes shorts will take off and they'll get like a few hundred or a few thousand views and then just drop completely. How does that work?
There are parts of the algorithm that try and find creators and audience. And sometimes those algorithms will go and effectively find like a seed audience, find a set of people that may enjoy your video. And depending on how that goes, it may get a lot more traffic or it may kind of taper off.
Links banned. Recently, YouTube banned clickable links in shorts descriptions and comments. This means you can no longer redirect viewers to your long-form content using clickable links in the descriptions and comments. As I mentioned previously, YouTube is introducing related links that redirects Shorts viewers to your other content on YouTube. Unable to upload a custom thumbnail.
Being in the shelf on Shorts is not really where most of the traffic comes from on Shorts. It's being in the feed, and the shelf on home happens to be an entry point, and thumbnails are seen there, but most thumbnails are never seen because people are in the feed and they're swiping and consuming and enjoying Shorts.
Keep in mind you can select a frame from your short as a vertical thumbnail when you upload it via the YouTube app. Short subscribers may have a lower value than long form subscribers. Most Shorts viewers are watching Shorts while scrolling through their Shorts feed using the YouTube app on their phones. Hitting the subscribe button on a short is probably an instantaneous decision compared to hitting the subscribe button on a long form video, which probably has been given more thought. Therefore, a viewer may be more deeply committed to watching more of your content on YouTube when they subscribe to a long form video than a short. Here's my recommendation. Experiment with making shorts for a YouTube channel because there's 15 billion daily viewers. YouTube is also pushing shorts by introducing new features on a regular basis. If you're struggling to get more views on YouTube Shorts, watch this video on the screen right now on how to create viral shorts using TubeBuddy's suggested shorts tool. You'll be glad you did.